Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Electrical Installation EEE. Today we're just gonna do some connection with some switch right here. But before we do that, I want to shout out all my loyal subscribers. Shout out everyone. There are some subscribers who once I drop a video, they are instantly on it. And it doesn't matter how long I take to put up a video or something. Sometimes I take a break, sometimes I maybe take a vacation, maybe something like that. And you guys are still here with me. So I do appreciate that. And to show you the word is spreading. And I do appreciate it is spreading worldwide. Don't watch views or anything like that, but it is spreading in a positive way, where the views that we are getting is actually real views, like people are interested. So right now I want to shout out some people in Dominica. Lucid Design Construction. So this means the word is spreading worldwide. As I said before, I got a lot of subscribers in Africa, Ghana mainly, and in Nigeria mainly. Yeah, we have others as well, but yeah, in Africa, big. UK, going fine. Italy as well. Don't know if they understand my accent or anything like that, but mainly because I've seen a growth there. But Jamaica, the thing there, big as usual, and America, big up all of my US subscribers them as well. But in Dominica, there is this guy who reached out to me, and he has a construction company that they're doing over there, Lucid Design Construction, where I just want to say a shout out to them as well, because they're following my thing as well and they like what they're seeing, and they just want me to give them a shout out. I mean, viewers in Dominica, I see where it is growing on the channel as well, where I can see in the audience where I got a lot of Dominican. So I want you guys, me and in Dominica, to reach out to this Lucid Design Construction, where they specialize in construction work and so forth. Portsmouth Commonwealth of Dominica. You're experts in construction. Links Electrical Limited at gmail.com, so you can check them out there. Links Electrical Limited at gmail.com. Telephone number 767-285-3180. Let me repeat that, 767-285-3180. Links in the description, so you can check it out in the description if you have any interest in there. So all of you as my subscribers, everyone in Dominica, big up on yourself. Check out Lucid Design Construction. Now we're gonna go into this video right here. Okay, right here, this is two traveler. Always tape them. I always tape them. This is my main right here. Yeah. And these are two return as well for the light right here. Guys, there are reasons for clearing out this as well and give it space as well. So whenever time you put on the cover on it, the screw actually have space to go inside right there. So we just clean it out where you can find the screw area in these wall cases. Always dirty metal panels. So guys, if you notice, I have two ground right here, and I actually use a twisted connector to add another one piece of weight to it. So hurt the box right here. The reason for this is to actually hurt the screws and the switches as well. So some people don't really hurt the switches, but the right way, you hurt the boxes and you hurt the switches as well. Because as you can see, they are there, so they are there for a reason. These screws I like to get rid of, to be honest. In these drywalls, with the drywall screw, it's much easier to use to screw in these than the regular screw that come with this. So I actually don't really use this. So these copper screw right here, these are for the travelers. We call this two-way switch. Some may call it three-way switch because it has three terminals on it. So whichever region you are, depending on it, but we call it two-way. This is the main wire right here, so we're gonna just strip it right here. Connect it on the common, which is the black one right here.
There are grounds, you know.
Yeah. So you enter from this side, the first switch you should turn on is a two-way switch. I'm gonna use them mainly. And there are specific way to turn this switch, as you can see right here, it marked up right here, so you make sure this part is always up. See, drywall much easier. And the screws that actually come with it. So as you can see guys, I have this space right here and this space right here. So whenever you put on the cover over it, you can screw it in properly. If you don't clear this part right here, this cover screw not gonna go in. So you have to clear that part. A lady a come pussy dog them in my feet. Me. So if rain a fall, why dog for them? If rain a fall, why dog for them? Because he named dog. And I like your one where you build one house fine. So guys, right here you have the this is the 711 decorated switch. These are the return side. This is the live side. You can use any one of them.